correlation analysis. So correlation is, you can think about it as a special case of causal analysis, because correlation is looking for something happen at the same time. So like I mentioned, in real production environments, root cause typically do not happen at the same time. It happens before the major system outage or incidents. So that's basically what the causal analysis is looking for, is looking for like what anomalies happens before that outage that has a strong causal probability with this incident. So that's basically what InsightFinder focus on, right? So right off the gate, we basically do not focus on just correlation. We focus on root cause analysis, right? And so this basically allow you to actually go to the root cause, and then you can actually start from there, because you can find those early symptoms that happens before the incident. This also give you opportunity to prevent the problem and predict the problem.